Tired of juggling data between Bill.com and QuickBooks Online? Let's ditch the manual entry and get these two powerhouses talking to each other. First, log into your Bill.com account as an administrator, then find the settings gear icon, usually in the top right corner, and click on it. Look for an option like Connections or Integration. This is where the magic happens. Now, you should see QuickBooks Online listed. Click the Connect or Sync button next to it. Bill.com will likely ask you to sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Be sure to use your admin credentials for QBO. After signing in, QuickBooks Online will ask you to authorize Bill.com to access your data. Review the permissions carefully and click Connect or Authorize. This step is crucial for allowing the systems to share information. Next, configure your synchronization settings. This is where you decide what data gets sent, like vendors, customers, bills, and payments. Choose your preferences, ensuring you understand the impact of each setting. Now, it's time to initiate the initial sync. Click the Sync button, and a progress bar will appear. This might take a few minutes depending on the amount of data you have. Keep an eye out for any error messages. If you encounter issues, consult the Bill.com or QuickBooks Online help documentation. Common problems include duplicate vendors or mismatched accounts. Finally, after the initial sync, regularly check your accounts in both Bill.com and QuickBooks Online to ensure everything's running smoothly. You can usually set up automatic synchronization for ongoing updates. Now, your financial data flows seamlessly, saving you time and headaches.